Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself. Focus on you first. There's nothing wrong with putting yourself first, since you cannot help others if you lose your alignment. How many people lose their balance if they do everything for others and they do nothing for themselves? People often become depressed if they neglect themselves in the process of trying to help or please everyone but themselves. We need to keep a balance and do those things which allow us to be healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. Sometimes all that's needed is a little time to unwind, doing something that relieves stress and brings joy. Stress is the number one factor in creating disease. So wouldn't spending time unwinding be logical to remain healthy? Exhaustion is another reason people develop health conditions. Sometimes all that's needed is more time distracting ourselves from everyday problems. How many people can you help if you're not in alignment? And how much assistance can you be if you're not in alignment? You've been programmed to believe that sacrificing your happiness is the correct way to live and the noble thing to do. You've been programmed to believe life is about helping and pleasing everyone but you. You've been pressuring yourself to believe there's only one way to live. Think a different thought, such as, how many people can I help if I am in alignment? You keep your balance by being spiritually connected, since you're a spiritual being who needs to remain connected to its source. You remain healthy and ready to tackle your problems by keeping a healthy lifestyle through diet, exercise, and sleep. Most important, it's by being spiritually connected through meditation or prayer, or anything that allows us to connect to ourselves on a spiritual level. Why have we concluded the noble thing is to sacrifice our happiness for others? I understand there is a level of sacrifice that we should do for others. However, there is also balance. I understand many people have traumatic events in their lives with their loved ones, and they need to put more time and energy for their family or friends' sake. But don't make the mistake of neglecting balance. Since there is always a little bit of time we can reserve for ourselves to recharge the battery and live more meaningfully. We have no control over others other than the influence we give them through our clarity of our example. We can pray for them, we can teach them, but ultimately it's their life and choices. Focus on you first, and then you'll be in a much better place to make a difference in the world and in the lives of your loved ones. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was incredible. I really love this article. And until next time, I hope everybody has a beautiful week, and I hope you have a beautiful day today. Thank you so much for listening.